listen to music.
Like headphones?
Yeah.
What is that?
Let me see. No
Whoa.
bears. A sweater.
Chicago Bears.
Cool. There's another one.
Open yours, Emma.
Open Emma.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
You go get your toys.
Hey, Cat.
Cat. What is that?
What? I love Ninja Turtles.
You do?
Look. Look, it's a turtle sweater.
Hey,
Look,
my turtle sweater.
look,
You like it?
look it. Emma and Trevor.
Yeah. And Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. Hey, Purple and me. Is this another present? Or am I seeing what
Yeah, let's
it
get
is?
some more.
Let's open the box.
Here we go, Trev.
Hey, what's here?
I love those.
Hey, I already got those.
You already have these?
Yeah, it's for the beach.
These are like Ellie.
Hey,
All right.
that's for the beach. Look at my fingers. Look at the trap. The trap,
The
Mom.
trap?
The
I
trap.
think we should have saved Slinky for last.
Look at it.
Oh, it's a
Ooh,
backpack.
A backpack like Emma. You can put all your stuff in there. Look at.
Hey, here's going to my school.
Yeah, he can wear his backpack to your school now.
Hey,
That's neat.
Dad, that's his backpack. He can go to my school.
Yeah, he can put his homework in there. Or his Slinky.
There
Hey,
you go.
maybe I can get my bag in my school.
What was in that box?
It's in my new shoes, like I already have.
Oh, you already have them?
Look.
Oh, those are cool. What about that box?
There you go. You want another present, Pumpkin?
Hey, yeah, that's already. Look at in my bag.
Oh, it's your
Bobby,
backpack.
open it.
There you go.
When
It's
I
gonna
go
give it to
to school.
You
No,
put
it
your
says
homework in there?
Emma.
Oh, okay.
Go by Emma and open it.
Let's see it
Ooh.
here.
Open it up.
Another one. Another Barbie.
Legos.
Legos.
What's that one's
Cool.
name?
That one's name is Ellie.
Let me see.
That's
What's that say?
Emma.
Her name's Emma.
That's Ellie. That's Ryan. What's that?
I don't know.
You gotta name them.
We gotta look them up.
That's you.
Oh, okay.
And
What is that, Pumpkin?
that's Emma. That's Mom. And that's Ryan. Look at it.
Emma, you got
the other
another
one,
present
Emma.
there.
Here.
I'll hold that way.
What is it?
Let's see mine.
What are yours? You can wear these in the car when you listen to your movie.
Look at it.
They're pink ones too.
Ooh.
Hey, I want to try it
Oh, this
on.
won't fit.
Hey, I want to try these on.
Okay. headphones.
Oh, I love those things. Is that for your camera?
Yeah, or you can watch movies with it. You can watch the movies with it or listen to your music with
Can we
them.
put it in your backpack?
And there's the
Oh.
plug. There's the plug.
Yeah.
There's like that.
Wow.
That's the librarians.
Like Olivia's? Then you can listen to music.
Cute.
Cash, go get your toy, please. Go.
Another
I love
present?
This. Hey, I don't hear to anybody do this.
You don't hear
You
anybody?
don't hear anybody?
What?
There you go, buddy.
Again.
I'll open it.
No.
Yep.
It says on
I think it's stuck. Just rip it. Okay. I'll
Wait.
open it.
There. There's that. A new truck for him. He already wants the truck.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
That's the remote control one.
Where's
Monster
he
truck.
mine?
It'll go by itself.
Oh, frozen. Hey, what is that? Frozen.
Oh, Frozen.
You know, Jammy frozen. Jammy
Ooh.
frozen.
Cool.
You can wear those later.
I want to tell my teacher I got frozen.
You gonna tell your teacher?
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you push a button and it froze by itself.
Here's another one.
Okay.
Wow, Santa got you a lot of stuff.
You ever get this one?
Look
Oh,
at
that's a big
that.
one.
It's my bag. Maybe it
That's a
don't
backpack.
fit
I love it.
Maybe it don't fit in the sleigh.
They don't fit in the sleigh. I think the sleigh was overloaded.
Oh, it's a Barbie.
Polly Pocket. I love those.
Yes, Harry Potter.
Cool.
But Harry Potter is a Barbie.
Oh, yeah, a little baby.
Changes colors.
You will wash her hair. You wash her hair
You can?
and put it in a ponytail.
Wow, looks like she's at the beach.
She's at the beach. And there's a mirror. There's a mirror.
There's a mirror in there?
Look at you wash her hair. You give her a makeover.
Maybe a sleepover at the station.
Yeah.
Remember I had a sleepover at my station? At Uma station?
I'll put it in the wagon for you. How about that?
Yeah.
We'll keep it for
What's
later.
Trevor got?
We got more.
What is it?
Oh, not
What is it, Pumpkin?
good.
Ninja Turtle jeans. It
That's
looks like a
it,
tent. You
Trevor.
crawl in it.
And
And you take the
That's-
snooze.
Says from Santa. From Santa Claus.
what does it say?
To Emma from Santa.
There's a lot of Santa right there.
Yeah. Why don't you see what's in there?
Okay. Maybe it's a big.
What do you think it is?
Hey, you open it. You open it.
How about we'll get another present?
Look there.
Whoa!
What is it?
It's a princess castle.
Pretty. All your dolls have a house now.
Wow, it's a castle.
They stay there forever.
Forever?
Yeah. Hey, Mom.
Hold it on
They
the
stay
side.
there forever.
Hold it outside. Trevor's got one more present from Santa.
Hey, I'm going to put this in the wagon
Okay,
by
thank you.
myself.
Okay.
Wait, is that his main one? Do his main one.
Oh my God.
It's stuck. Open.
Ah.
Look at. We got a big present for
We got one more. Let's put it over here from Santa.
I love.
No, it's backpack. Emma's got another one from Santa.
Ooh, big one. Open it up. Which one's yours?
I'm gonna open first.
Open this one. All right, can I open this one?
Yeah, you open it.
No, you
That's
open
Emma.
it.
I don't want that one.
What is it?
A car. Oh, it's
What is it, Pumpkin? Do you know what it is?
Ah!
What is it?
No.
Look at
A scooter.
car scooter like
A
Emma's.
scooter.
Yeah.
I got princess one. I
Oh.
Emma, open yours.
Open yours, Em.
You're gonna help me.
Okay, you can help me.
I wanted that.
You must have been on the nice list. He remembers.
That's what you told him you wanted.
Is that what you told him?
Yeah,
The giggly
a
monkey.
A giggly monkey.
Giggly monkey.
Cool.
I'm gonna
So
call her
cool.
Callie.
Callie? Okay.
Or maybe Emma.
Okay.
Emma number 2.
She's got a baba. You gotta change your diaper.
I'm two. Hey,
Here. This is from Donna and Kay.
hey. She's sweet and I'm gonna call her Emma.
Okay.
She's sweet like me.
She's 3 like you.
Yeah. I want to open this one.
That's pretty
Still
cool.
got more presents
We
though.
got more presents.
Look what I got. It falls. Hey, this one falls when it's sitting up there.
It's a book.
Look at it on the front.
No, this is not a book.
Trevor's got a book.
What is that, Emma?
Yeah.
Is that
What's that, Em?
Look at it.
More?
Red. That's a
Oh, more
horse.
Polly Pockets.
Hey, Wally Pocket find her horse.
Yeah, cowgirl.
Hey, what's that?
That's her friend.
What's she name?
Let me see. Maybe it's on the back.
I don't remember that one.
Polly Pocket.
I'm gonna open that one.
Here, you can give Mommy that one.
Doesn't say.
You can open that one.
Can I? Is this
Yeah.
for me?
Yeah. You'll open it if
You gotta give Daddy one.
This is for Emma.
Hey, the one's for me.
Yeah, that's from Donna and Kay.
I love
from
Dora.
Mommy.
I love
Ooh,
Dora.
Thank you.
I see.
Oh, this one's for Trevor.
I see.
From Donna.
And Donna and Kay.
Oh, what is that?
Cover.
Cool.
A ballerina cover. Look.
Oh, cute.
And on the back, there's a.
All the puzzles. I like that.
That's.
Trevor's got the Mickey Mouse.
Hey, that's Wanda. And that's Kiwanji.
Oh, okay. Ballerinas. I like it.
I love Dora. I love Dora. Aww. Who's one little?
Oh, that's too many. What you got, Pumpkin?
Hey, Trevor, look at I got. I got Dora. No.
What is that?
A cars.
Cars.
Oh, those are cool.
I love those. There's a fire truck and a cop car, taxi cab. Here's another one.
Ah, you almost fell. It's too far left.
Oh, 2.
I want my sleeves.
Oh, I found another one for Emma.
I see it
To
right
Emma from Don and Kay and family.
Hey, you're my family.
Yeah.
Hey,
Open them up. socks.
Oh, cool.
Teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Wait.
Open it.
No, yeah, go ahead.
Is that my blanket?
Oh my
Is
god.
that my blanket?
Yep, that one's yours from
Yep.
Aunt Donna.
I love that.
I love that too. That's so pretty.
Flowers and butterflies.
Did she make that?
Yeah.
Look at.
Hey, Dad!
Oh, comfy
Cupcake.
blankie.
An ice cream.
I love it.
Look at the blankie. I love that.
What do
Hey,
you got?
Look at the blankie. Look at.
Let me see. Punch it. Emma, you got a couple more to open.
I want the. I love my new.
Oh, woohoo! I love it. This one's Trevor's. Oh, this one's Trevor's. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Let me see the front. Oh, Barbie Carnival.
Whoa.
I love it. You got a monkey blankie? Aww, big maps on it. Yeah.
And that's her baby. And that's her bunny. And that's
Okay.
her Hey, that's her sister.
Yeah.
And where's the mom?
Trevor's.
Where's the mom? That's my mom. Hey, where's the mom? Hey, where's the mom?
Is the mommy in there?
Look at. Mommy's got her calendar. Look at.
Where's the mom?
We gotta buy more. Mommy will go buy you more. So you have all of them?
Snowman.
Yeah. Donna and Jay. Daddy and Trevor and Daddy and Emma. Emma.
Where's the butterfly here?
April is our family. And the kids. Uh-oh, wait. Aw,
Kid, watering the flowers out in the house.
Trevor.
And
Because he's going to be 3.
I need to open this.
Yeah.
Fishing.
Hey, what'd you get in that big box over there? Trevor? Look at.
Pumpkin patch.
What's that big box right there?
Pumpkin patch. My
Thanksgiving.
card. My
Whoa.
card.
Christmas. I love that.
There's my card.
Wow. There's a car wash.
Cool.
And you can work on your cars in there too.
Hey,
Cool.
what's this for?
Mommy, from Aunt Donna. Okay, you want to see what I got?
Yeah, open it. That's my favorite. That's my favorite right here.
Beautiful. It's our for L for Lori.
Look at buddy.
Cup for beer and wine.
For my wine, yeah. Pretty colors.
What'd she get?
A cup for wine.
For the
I
wine?
love it.
Open this one.
Open this one.
And I open this one. I open this one. Coffee.
Is this a giant box of
Coffee.
coffee? the biggest box of coffee ever. Mommy will never run out.
Hey,
How perfect
a
is that?
donut. All the puppies.
I love it. Different kinds. I love all these kinds. Mommy will never run out of coffee now. Speaking of,
Can you buy more for your
you want to go get one to Daddy?
Hey, we're gonna turn off the thingy for a
Is
while.
that your blankie?
Hey,
Is that your blankie?
Emma,
First. Look at the camera.
say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say thank you, Donna and Kay.
Thank you, Anna.
Tell Santa thank you too, and I'll send it to him.
Yeah. Thanks, Santa.
Thanks, Anna. Thanks, Santa.
Good job.